Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest-rated halogen oven cookers. Halogen ovens are a great alternative to full-size cookers when you want a quick meal. They admittedly look more suited to a kitchen in the 1980s rather than a modern touch on easy cooking. Yet, halogen ovens have never gone out of style, and for good reason. Air fryers, multi-cookers, and slow cookers rule the market. But we are here to fight for the corner of the underappreciated halogen oven. In this video, we offer you the 7 top-rated halogen ovens on the market that will revolutionize your cooking and meal times. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the halogen oven cookers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first halogen oven cooker on our list is the SANHOYA halogen oven. If you want a halogen oven that can pretty much do it all, then this 18.1 by 12.9 by 14.1 inch device from SANHOYA is a great choice. It has every function possible with this kind of appliance, and also loads of nice little extra touches to make it a safe and easy experience. It has a cool touch non-stick body, stainless steel heating element, and comes with a set of food-grade accessories to meet your needs. When you're done using it, it's easy to clean and the parts can go in the dishwasher, so there's no reason not to use it every time. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SANHOYA halogen oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 11-in-1 cooker. It's easy to cook everything from crispy fries to mouth-watering chicken wings, sweet desserts, and popcorn with this halogen oven cooker. High quality. The SANHOYA halogen oven uses a removable, easy-to-clean, heat and impact-resistant French air capelle glass bowl. Also, the stainless steel heating element in this halogen oven cooker ensures a long service life. Spray function. In order to keep the components fresh and juicy during the high-temperature degreasing process, it has a nozzle that sprays water out of it. Elegant design. It's a gorgeous piece with a great design, and it will definitely look beautiful sitting on your counter. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is some customers have expressed concern about the loudness of the cooking noise, but this can be the result of poor transportation. The second halogen oven cooker on our list is the Big Boss halogen oven. The Big Boss halogen oven is a great choice if you've never cooked before but want to learn how to make delectable dishes. While its dial knobs make adjustments simple and precise, this product also comes with handy tips on the most popular treats that can help you achieve excellent cooking results. More than that, it measures 16 by 12.5 by 13.5 inches, big enough to cook for the whole family. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Big Boss halogen oven a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: wide temperature range. The halogen huge oven cooker has a temperature range of 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can air fry, bake, grill, roast, and toast. Powerful heating. The Big Boss oil-less halogen oven circulates super hot air around food to cook your meals faster, featuring a 1300-watt powerful built-in fan and a 360-degree air convection system. Super-sized capacity. The container is deep enough to give adequate room between the food and the heating tubes to prevent overheating, making it ideal for large dinner parties with a full chicken for 3 to 6 people. Healthier meals. It's possible to fry food in this Big Boss halogen oven with little to no oil and retain the deep-fried crispy texture of food because of the frying bowl and pan combination. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's huge, heavy, and would be a massive pain to store and take out if you're working with a limited counter space. The third halogen oven cooker on our list is the Nutrichef halogen oven. Cooking delicious meals fast is the biggest advantage of halogen ovens, which is essential for our fast-paced lives. And the Nutrichef halogen oven really shines in this aspect. While cooking, you can monitor your meals through the included 12-liter glass bowl. Measuring 13 by 7 by 15 inches, its 13-quarts bowl can be enlarged to a 17-quarts capacity using the extension ring. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Nutrichef halogen oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: versatile use. With this halogen oven, you can thaw and cook food at the same time. It cooks everything from chicken and steak to ribs and fish. Safety technology. The automatic shutoff feature of this halogen oven ensures the safety of its users. As soon as the timer is done, it turns itself off. Rapid air circulation. This feature works wonders in a combo with triple cooking technologies including convection, halogen, and infrared heat. It further enhances and improves hot air circulation inside the cooking chamber to achieve better heat transfer and ensure more even cooking from all sides. As a result, the foods are crisp and browned to perfection and ideally cooked from the inside with no hot and cold spots on them. Energy efficient. In addition to what has been said, the rapid air circulation technology greatly cuts down the overall cooking time and optimizes the power output. Thus, at 1,200 watts, the Nutrichef oven cooks up to 50% faster than any conventional oven and at the same time consumes up to 75% less energy. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the glass bowl is somewhat heavy, however, it is easily cleaned. The fourth halogen oven cooker on our list is the Nutrichef Convection Halogen Oven. This 13.4 by 15.8 by 13.8 inch Nutrichef Convection countertop toaster oven is small enough to fit on your countertop or tabletop, but large enough to create meals for the whole family. And it comes with an extra wide cooking glass bowl that can hold up to 18 quarts. The only difference between this model and the previously featured one, which was also from Nutrichef, is their controls. The previous one has a more old-fashioned visual design, whereas this model boasts a more modernized and sleek overall look. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Nutrichef Convection Halogen Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: remarkably efficient. The Nutrichef Convection Oven features a built-in fan that circulates air for very effective and even cooking, preventing cold patches or burnt edges on your food. Hassle-free. The Nutrichef Convection Oven is simple and easy to operate. Simply set the desired temperature and duration for cooking your food, and then let your Nutrichef's Convection Oven do all the work, waiting until your meal is perfectly moist and tasty. Multifunction. Using this halogen oven, you can bake, grill, steam, broil, roast, air fry, and do more. It's great for all-around cooking, and it can also be used in a variety of different ways. Energy saving. The convection oven of Nutrichef cooks your food up to 50% faster than other conventional ovens. And best of all, it saves a substantial amount of energy. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the rack grates and tongs that come with this halogen oven are flimsy, making it a bit weak. The fifth halogen oven cooker on our list is the Wisfor Halogen Oven. What we next is a multi-purpose convection cooker that works on 110 volts, making it ideal for cooking pretty much anything, from meat, steaks, and pork to vegetables and whatnot. It combines infrared and hot air movement, which allows it to quickly cook meals, taking up to an hour's worth of cooking time. The device is also quite roomy inside, with a 12.7 quart bowl that can be expanded with a ring to up to 18 quarts. It provides ample space for cooking even a turkey, making it the perfect backup oven for Thanksgiving preparations. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Wisfor Halogen Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: highly efficient. Food may be cooked quickly because of the combination of infrared heat and hot air movement. Extremely durable. The internal heating tube element of the Wisfor Halogen Oven is made of stainless steel, which is more durable than glass heating tubes and is less prone to breakage. User-friendly. With this product, all you have to do is put your food in and set the timer and temperature, and you'll have a delicious meal ready in no time. Simply lift the handle to turn it off and lower it to turn it on. Healthier meals. This halogen oven lets you cook food to perfection and keeps it moist on the inside without relying on large amounts of oil, which can have an excessive amount of fat. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the temperature is only shown in Celsius, which might be difficult to understand if you are used to reading temperatures in Fahrenheit. The sixth halogen oven cooker on our list is the Sahomwell Halogen Oven. This appliance is perfect for someone who wants to start cooking healthy, fast, and inexpensive meals. It does a great job of cooking and comes with a little recipe book to get you started. At 16.5 by 15.75 by 15.75 inch, it's small enough to fit in a kitchen cabinet, yet big enough to prepare a meal for two. It's also easy to clean up and make less mess than other methods of cooking. Overall, we recommend this product to anyone who wants to save time and money while eating healthier foods. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sahomwell Halogen Oven a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: fast heating. The Sahomwell Halogen Oven uses a 12-leaf fan blade which cooks up to 50 to 75% faster. Healthier meals. This halogen oven eliminates the need for extra oil. There are plenty of healthy options using this appliance, such as baking, grilling, steam broiling, roast, and air frying. User-friendly, simply set the temperature and time and it will begin to work with an LED indicator. Dishwasher safe. The glass bowl is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no digital display for temperature and time, but you may still monitor the process and stop it at any moment. The 7th halogen oven cooker on our list is the NuWave Oven Pro. The NuWave Oven Pro is a multi-purpose kitchen countertop appliance that provides cooking options that are similar to a microwave or traditional stove. If you're tired of scrubbing the standard oven whenever a mess occurs, then you'll definitely love the NuWave Oven. You don't need to worry about the heat or energy required in a self-cleaning cycle either because this product is dishwasher safe. It measures 30.5 by 15.75 by 13 inches and has a unique flat bottom design as compared to the usual halogen oven setup. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the NuWave Oven Pro a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Touch and Go Control Panel. The NuWave Halogen Oven is a smart countertop oven with intuitive controls and professional results. It's very easy to use, just select the cooking temperature, time, and then press start. No need to preheat or defrost. Versatile cooking. This halogen oven is capable of various cooking techniques to produce practically any kind of meal or snack. You can use it to bake, broil, roast, grill, steam, dehydrate, barbecue, or air fry. Energy efficient. The NuWave Halogen Oven features infrared conduction and convection cooking technologies. It uses 75% less energy and cooks 70% faster than standard oven, consuming only 0.1 kilowatts per hour. Multiple modes. The oven has buttons for warm, reheat, and delay, allowing you to operate it for whichever reason you need. The warm setting keeps your food warm for 2 hours at 155 degrees Fahrenheit, while the reheat setting reheats it for 4 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the dome is made with plastic, which is prone to developing cracks. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated halogen oven cookers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next halogen oven cooker roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.